Dogs can make this sound, but it's one of the most difficult sounds for a lot of English learners. Let's find your inner dog. Hi, I'm Damien, and I'm the sledgehammer that smashes down English language barriers. And this series is all about helping you get better with pronunciation. These techniques will make it easier for people to understand your English. And in this episode, we're focusing on the two sounds l and r. Oh, and remember to stay till the end, because I'll show you that's right, two ways to find r in your mouth. Okay, before we look at l and r, it's important to know where they sit in the big picture of the phonemic chart, or what I like to call the map of the mouth. This beautiful chart designed by Adrian Underhill shows you what to do with your nose, lips, teeth, tongue, roof of the mouth, voice box, and jaw. L and r sit at the bottom of the chart, and they're next to each other because the position in the mouth is very similar. They are voice sounds and they're called liquids, but that's probably not too important to know. There's one small difference between l and r. Do you know what it is? Now, imagine your tongue as a gymnast. Sorry, that probably just looks disgusting. Gymnasts are able to bend their body into lots of different angles. You're going to do that with your tongue. We're going on a journey from starting with What kind of sound is this? It's a nasal sound. Notice how your tongue is stopping the air and pushing it out through your nose. The air can't come out of your nose. Don't believe me? Well, try making the sound and then pinching your nose. The sound stops and eventually you would die. So maybe let go of your nose now. The air is now flowing past the sides of your tongue. Put your lips together and the sound stops. While on the other hand, block your nose, the sound will continue. Let's give it a go. See that? It's not coming through your nose. Look inside. Finally, reach from l. You keep the sides of your tongue up and bend back the tip of your tongue. Make sure the tongue doesn't touch the roof of the mouth, or the sound will go back to l. So let's give it a go right from the start. Look inside for r. Let's try a different approach to find r. Before we do this, if you haven't already, make sure you watch my playlist all about the phonemic chart, which includes the sounds v, z, zh. So let's go through those sounds, starting with v, moving to z, and then zh, and finally r. Are you ready to do some yoga? Pretty cool, right? If you're enjoying this video, remember to sledgehammer that subscribe button. It means a lot to me and my channel. Remember, you need to practice like you're going to play. Pronunciation isn't in your brain, it's a physical sport. Get moving those muscles. To help with this, in each episode we have a 2-step practice routine. Minimal pairs and tongue twisters. Okay, repeat after me, then try it yourself. Don't just say it, feel it. Be aware of what's going on inside your mouth. Light, right. Load, road. Fly, fry. Glass, grass. Long, wrong. Tongue twisters are a good exercise for your mouth. They help you get from A to B a lot faster. Let's do a tongue twister. I'll do it once slowly and a second time quickly, and then you give it a go. The rat ran by the river with a lump of raw liver. The rat ran by the river with a lump of raw liver. There you have it. R and l, and how to find them through other sounds. If you haven't already, sledgehammer that subscribe or like button and continue on this language learning journey. Remember, practice is so important. Put yourself in front of the mirror and really look at your mouth as you make these new sounds. Start taking your English mask off today. Good boy, good boy.